Okay, this is a 1928 Thompson submachine gun, and it was one of the first guns that I ever had to start my collection. My godfather was the FBI agent, Melvin Purvis, that he and his team got Dillinger. The machine gun was the one that Dillinger named the Chicago Typewriter. It started out as a police gun, I'm told. Dillinger heard that they had new machine guns and bulletproof vests at the police station in Chicago. That was on Saturday in the Chicago newspapers. And on Monday, I understand he went down with his gang and locked the police up in their cells and took their machine guns. That went over real well.
That's how he got to be public enemy number one.
That really made him public enemy number one, personally and otherwise.